Hey everyone, this is Dr. Diksha Singh here, and we are with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's the most common thing in which 2 out of 10 girls are suffering from PCOS. Even one of my very good friend is suffering from PCOS, who had asked me to share some details about PCOS and diet plan and which exercise we should do to overcome it. So let's start. I wish I had a proper diagnosis in my teens. You can see in this image, most of girls who suffer from PCOS, they are like, I wish I had a proper diagnosis in my teens so that I can overcome all those signs and symptoms which I just not noticed at that time. So in this female reproductive system disease, you can see how a normal ovary and a polycystic ovary looks like. It's a PCOS, an endocrine disorder. So you can see clearly what's a normal ovary and polycystic ovary looks like. Okay, you can see the research data too, which is saying ki if you are going to work with your diet plan, your lifestyle modification, then you can overcome some of its symptoms. You can see the polycystic symptoms like a polycystic ultrasound, how it look like in the right ovary you can see, and in left ovary. Like see, it's a zoom image, you can clearly see the cyst in a right ovary. So what's the signs and symptoms? Like irregular periods, heavy periods, long periods, excess hair loss, scalp hair loss, acne, weight gain, dark skin patches, fertility, infertility, headache and sleep apnea, and many more. Like a mood swings too, fertility difficulties, which is the most common and dangerous thing that the women suffer. PCOS at different stages of life. PCOS in childhood, adolescence, and postmenopausal women. So you can see how they are interacting at every age of women. So multidisciplinary team. How a team is going to help you, like a lifestyle plan and support, treatment of some symptoms, endometrial protection, contraception, fertility counseling, psychological and behavioral support, and nutrition counseling. You just need to improve quality of your life, access the life, improve communication with the patient, improve adherence, and improve your self-care to overcome the PCOS symptom. Do's and don't. Make sure that proper weight is maintained. Don't be overweight. Have adequate sleep. Maintain record of your menses. Practice yoga, asanas, and pranayam regularly. Don't smoke alcohol. Don't consume it. Do not skip meal. Avoid hormonal treatment. Food items you can easily consume. Do have more of lean proteins. PCOS diet plan chart. I'm going to share the full chart, but in this I only take in a sample chart. Like a breakfast, you can take 2 eggs, 1 cup vegetables, sliced soy, linseed toast, 4 Vita wheats, 2 slices of cheese, tuna wrap, bowl of vegetable soup in lunch, in snacks, small mixed nut bar in a dinner. For a full diet plan, you can check my profile or my blog, or you can directly contact me for a full diet chart for PCOS. How to manage PCOS? A change in life perspective by self-awareness, relief from depression and stress, slowed breathing, just practice deep breathing exercise, improve flexibility while doing exercise, decrease your blood pressure by doing meditation exercise, lowered cortisol level by doing work on your exercise level and lifestyle modification and diet plan, better sleep and weight loss with the exercise. Here is what a week could look like for a woman with PCOS. Exercise to strength training session, to yoga session, and to aerobic exercise session. Means you in a 7 day in a week you are busy with a 6 day, and in a 7 day you have to take a meditation session with a pranayam. So I'm going to share some of the exercise at the end of video, so must watch and note all the exercise. They will help you a lot. So it made a world of difference to be properly diagnosed. Like look like to the both picture. In the first picture, how she looked like, and then in the next picture, by doing exercise, how she managed herself, and she looked so happy and gentle. So these are goals of my life. My goal is to make pelvic health more integrated and universal practice for all individuals regardless of gender, age and stages of life. So I'm a woman. What's your superpower, dear? So thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Eyes closed. Breathe in. Breathe out. रिलीज कर दीजिए पैर पीछे से।